So, ow! Wait. Okay, I'm getting attacked by my siblings. No, don't attack me! Like it without. Yes. Look what she made. Hi guys, this is Troy from English Fam, and guess what I'm doing right now? It's a mess. You'll find out what I'm going to do soon. So first, these are all my products. I mean, I have a lot, and I have like 2 more boxes over there. And I need to make sure I don't mess them up. So anyway, well, I need to prepare for like all the stuff I want to take with me, but I really do want to take them all. And I meant, ow! Oh, this is garbage. I don't know why I have these stuff. Oh.
야, 너
I will. I'm gonna clean up soon. Jacob, our baby brother's messing up my stuff.
남들이 보고 이민 가는 줄 알겠네. 아우, 진짜. 몇 시간.
I need to pack a lot, so that's why. Well, I heard that this is very important, so I'm gonna bring it with me. I packed up all my clothes here, but I haven't started with this case. The only thing I put is my hat and some books. I don't know where to start. Just which one to bring with me. So, ow! Hey! Okay, anyway. Okay, I'm getting attacked by my siblings. Once again, attacked. No, don't attack me! I'm packing. Mom doesn't like it without. Mom doesn't like it because I made a huge mess.
이것도 가지가 이것도.
Dad told me to bring this with me. Yes. You know, I saw that. I saw you throw it at me. Here. Helpful for you? Wow, I got a present.
Here, I take it for you.
Yeah, she took it from me.
I'll pack it for you.
Look what she made. Thank you so much. And the baby's taking it.
Hey, don't attack
Hey, hey. Careful.
Take up here. Air melon.
This is a mess. It's not. No, it's not because of me, but it's because of everyone else too. Because they're touching my stuff. Now I'm getting used to it.
Get more used to it. Be one with the air ball.
Aww. Hey, you taught him that. You taught him to throw it at me, didn't you? So you guys might be like wondering where I'm going and why I'm packing so much stuff. I'm not going to tell you right now. You'll find out in the next video. I'm going to travel by myself. And it's going to be a really long trip for me, so stay tuned. Thank you so much.
This is your real inner core.
Hey, not the camera.
Core.
Okay, see ya. Bye. Ow.
Unicorn.